Welcome, guys, another episode. Today's episode, I properly explain how to use Google Map. In the screen, you show this app. It's called Google Map. It's called Google Map. I enlarges this screen. Okay, it's called Google Map. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. It's called Google Map. Today's episode, we will totally explain how to use a Google Map, a very beginner. Today's world is totally depending on technology, and we cannot survive a time without technology. In unknown place, we will keep help to take help by Google Map. Okay, Google Map actually helping us to find nearest hotel, nearest shopping mall, nearest ATM booth, branch, office, government office, hospital, nearest shop. It's everything you find on here. Okay, so now let's jump to the topic. So first your query, how you will get Google Map. So you need to go to Google Play Store. Okay, Google Play Store. I search Google Play Store. Sorry, I mistake. Play Store. Go to Google Play Store. Okay, and now search on here Google Map. And click to the search button. You saw there are lots of ad available on this place. It's called ad, it's also ad, and it's also ad. So you don't install this type. This is the original Google Map. I show you, this is the original Google Map. Okay, and also Google Map Go, travel and local manager, it's also Google Map, Google company. Okay, and have Google almost many product, so it will see last. Okay, so you need to just download Google Map and you can show it. There are almost 10 billion people using on this app. Okay, so it's called me to update this, but you think you need to update, just click update, and if you no need to update, then you can skip this part. So now we start this tutorial. So first of all, we need to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store and download this app. Okay, now you will open this app, Google Map. It's loading. Okay, you can see this street view for Google Map. Okay, I zoom out it. It will take some time for loading. Okay, where I come from. Okay, this is my location, Scotland. You can see it, United Kingdom on here. Okay, it's England, Wales, and also Laos, United, Scotland, Northern Ireland. Okay. And also there. Okay, wait a moment. It's Wales and it's England, and also another country, Laos. Also here Wales. Okay, you can see Belgium, the Queen of Belgium. Okay, and now I search the Palace of Belgium, Queen Belgium. Okay, Queen. Sorry, Queen of Belgium Palace. PL Palace. Okay, it's takes some loading. The internet connection is very slow, so this reason it takes some loading, but it will work within some time. Okay, and Luxembourg. This is most richest country in the world in 2022. Okay, my search result also come. How much palace are Belgium Queen? You can show it. Okay. Okay, now let's talk about all the feature in Google Map. So there are many view in Google Map like satellite and another. So just click on there, this bottom, and you can show it. There are many views available, default, satellite, channel. So now I click satellite. It's mean the original view of this place. Okay. Now you can show the Europe. It's very green and green. Yeah, and also the uh, African area. I mean Arabic state, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, Iran, Iraq, Syria, Turkey. Turkey, not Turkey, Turkey, and there's Syria, Lebanon, and the Krausis Crest State. And Turkey, Romania, Belgium, Greece, North, Kosovo, Hungary, Romania, okay, it's Poland, Moldova, Romania. Okay, now I show you the next way you can use Google Map. Okay, you think you need to a hotel, so you search on this place, you find a good hotel, like hotel, and this hotel, and you will get the good hotel in your nearest place. Okay, and also cafe, gas store, groceries, hotel, park, coffee, and more. What you need, you can just click the portion or tag, and you will got the search result like delivery, coffee, bus, park, live music, movie, museum, library, nightlife, and everything you will got on here. Shopping, okay, and services like hotel, gas, ATM, hospital, beauty, salons, library, car rent, car parking, car wash, uh, dairy clean, learning, electric vehicle. It's very helpful for traveler, individual. Those person are traveling in the world. You can show it hotel, gas. Sorry, hotel, gas, ATM, and beautiful, alone, and etc. etc. You will find on here. Okay. So now I apply this option: apples, hotel, gas, ATM, hospital, library, mail, shopping, car center, car wash, car dry clean, car parking, and etc. etc. Okay. And now at this time I want to show you how you can find it. Okay, just click hotel, then you will find the hotel in your nearest. Okay. Okay, you can show the